Hi, Dan Harper, and today we're going to be talking about our brand new Siren 3 Series wireless sensors and how to get them set up, paired, and running. The first thing to do is take the bracket off the back. There's also a quick start guide right on the bracket. I'm going to remove that. There's 4 screws. I'm going to remove the 4 screws, which will allow me to take the back of the unit off, accessing the battery compartment, where I will put in the supplied coin cell battery. This battery, by the way, should last up to 2 years. We recommend that you replace it each annual maintenance season, but again, it should give you 2 years of life. There's 2 sides to the battery, of course. The one that actually has the name on it, Varta, is going to be up in this orientation. So slide the battery in, nice and secure. I'm going to wait for just a few seconds until I see the 4 LEDs blink, letting me know that it's online and functioning. There it goes. 4 flashes. At that point, you can put the back on, screw down just finger tight. You don't want to go too tight. There is an O-ring, so all we want to see is the screws make contact with the O-ring, giving it a nice, secure, watertight seal. Once you have the back replaced back on the wireless sensor, you want to find a good mounting place wherever you're going to be measuring either the battery or the bilge or any of the 5 different accessories that we have. That will dictate where you actually mount this. When you find that location, each of these sensors, if I pull the quick start guide off, there is an adhesive seal on the back. It also comes with 4 mounting screws. This adhesive seal is extremely strong. You want to wipe it down with denatured alcohol, whatever surface you're going to mount this to. Just be very careful. When you mount it, it's going to want to stay there. So make sure you've thought through where you actually want to mount this when you do. If the adhesive strip is not what you're going to mount with, then the 4 screws are included. Once we get the bracket mounted, the sensor just clips right in, and that's it. So that's the process of getting the battery installed, getting the wireless sensor module put together and communicating. The next thing we're going to talk about is how to pair a wireless sensor with your Siren 3 Pro and get it working in your app. Okay, next we're going to add the tail to the high water sensor. I'm going to line up the tail with the slot. Just press that in nice and snug. I'm going to add the 2 supplied Allen screws and tighten them down again, just finger tight. That's also going to give it a watertight connection. They are O-ring sealed, so just finger tight is all you want, and that's all you need. Okay, so I'm going to open my app. I'm going to go to the settings page. I'm going to go to Add Wireless Sensor. Again, you're going to see a red square on the app. Align that with the QR code on the sensor. It's going to give you a pop-up message that says successfully scanned your wireless sensor. I'm going to say OK. I'm going to now give it a name. This is high water. I'm going to put it in my main salon, so I'm going to call it Main Salon. And then I'm going to select the wireless sensor type. This is high water. I'm going to select high water. I'm going to hit add. It's going to give me the spinning wheel, and it's going to now pair this device in the cloud to my Siren 3 Pro. And there we go. I'm going to hit OK, save, and I always like to go back to the home page and just take a look and make sure, sure enough, there's my newly paired high water sensor. Okay, so that wraps up how to insert the battery, how to pair the sensor to your Siren 3 Pro, and get your wireless sensor up and running. Feel free to reach out to our support team if you have any questions on your particular installation, and we'll see you for another video here at Siren Marine.